Good morning, good morning, good morning. Emergency stock equity video. Look at what's going on with Dixie. Dixie is following out my prediction right now and now is above the golden pocket at 1288. As this rises today, if we close above 1288, you will feel pain in all your tech stocks and all other equities in the market because you will see the pullback because dollar is gaining too much strength. As this gains strength, if we get above 114.78, I am warning you guys, anyone who has your retirement, 401k, pension in any kind of tech related equity, you are going to feel some incredible hard pain. This allows my meta prediction of going to $35 even more realistic. So please, please, please be cautious. Dixie is on the rise. If it goes above 114.78, you will see major pain in the market. My level that I'm looking for is way higher, all the way up there at 150. So we are on the way to really, really cause the world some hardcore pain. So get ready, guys. Get ready. This is all I wanted to say about Dixie, and I'm going right to our regular programming. Step one, you're going to go to DJI. And I am expecting today all the markets to just pull back hard because of that. That right there just gave me my 100% short clue. Here's the daily on Dixie. Sorry, not Dixie, on Dow Jones. We did not break above our level of resistance. Oh man, do I need to go to a weekly? Because this shit is so tight. Yeah. Okay, here we are. Oh, there we go. So we did not break above our 33,142 level to even test our golden pocket. The news came out that we are going to be increasing interest rates, and now the pullback is starting right off of the top of my channel and the white order block that we encompassed this whole Fibonacci retracement off of. Now the target is, where are we going to go? Where is support? So sorry guys, here is what we're looking for. If you're bullish, we are going to pop back down. Oh, let's just get rid of this real quick. If there was a bull case scenario, we are coming basically down and looking for support. First level of support that we're looking for is right here, $31,540 is the first level of support on a weekly. So as long as we don't close under this week, we have potential of going sideways and back up, as I was showing you that inverse head and shoulder. If we lose this level, 31,500, I'm looking for 30,400 to 29,800. If once we lose this level of support here at 29,800, I'm looking for all the way back to 26 and under, almost 24. This is real shit that I'm talking about, guys. There's not imaginary numbers. There's no bullshit of what I'm saying. That is just what it is. If you turn off all my indicators, okay, we are trying to break out, and this breakout is not doing that great. We are looking for support. If we find support over here at 31.5, that's one thing. But the fact that interest rates got increased, I'm looking for it to even touch the 200 at 30,200 and then see if we're going to hold it. If we lose it, then this is going to be the next natural target around 26,287. And it could even go lower than that. But at least this is where we're looking for because of past history. Just get ready for this, is all I'm saying. If you're in the markets, get ready for some downside. This is an expanding, descending wedge, if you can see it. Okay, I have it in a channel, but it's a descending, expanding wedge with the potential of going sideways on 29,800 and then going up, or 30,500, like between that range. But yeah, I think we're gonna test 29,800 before we look for any higher to make sure that this is worth it. All right, for the long. So keep that in mind, guys. Let's go to the next asset, which is NQ. So this is the tech one, right? Yeah, look at this. This is already rejecting where I'm looking for Dow to reject under the purple. You're already got your nasty ass rejection yesterday. I'm going to remove this inverse head and shoulder idea. That was before the Fed did what it did. there is no need to assume upside now. You should be looking for downside support. And now look, you're under the golden. So all I'm looking for is this week going to close above 10,462? If we lose 10,462, you are going to be looking for this to next area, 9,258. Just get ready. No BS. You should be looking at hardcore downside targets right now because of what just happened. And then we can look for where the once I know where the bottom is, I can draw the fib. This fib is preliminary. This is not a real fib to use. It's just off of this local consolidation. This fib is real. This large one on the top, because this is the high. We're assuming this is the low. We don't know. Technically, I could have just drew this fib and used it over here, but yeah, I'm not going to do that right now. The point is, we're looking for downside, guys. Be ready for this, and I gave you the levels of support just so you can trade accordingly. Because, yeah, tech stocks are going to get beating. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. Let's go to the E-mini S&P. Yeah, this also I'm going to remove because this idea is invalidated until we break out. So, sorry for hopium. If owl did go 0.5 and not 0.75, you would have saw that. But we couldn't go 0.75 because of BOE. And look at what's going on in Turkey. Erdogan is not increasing his interest rates, so now they're at 80% inflation. So basically wrecking his entire country. Here is S&P Mini, the only one that didn't completely break down yet. This is kind of as strong as Dow. We are at the golden pocket at 3,700. Losing 3,700, we're going to be looking for 35 and under. Okay, if you lose 35, you're looking for 31.51. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. We are rejecting off of support. This 200 is the last layer. Once you get out of this, you should be abandoning longs and looking to rescoop your long lower. And then you should be hedging short after this golden pocket for sure. The real short was right here. So this fib is real. This top fib. This local thin little bitch is a local consolidation of what we're assuming is bottom. But technically, I should have drew the fib from here. I'm doing this because we're scalping. This larger one is real though, so respect it. It is for real, saying it wants to go here to here. And I know that's like disgusting pain coming to the markets, but that's literally what Dixie does. Unfortunately, I mean, if you're not taking this video seriously and you're not planning accordingly, then your plan is to fail because I'm literally giving you the answers and you don't need to think hard about it. Just freaking risk manage your ass if you're already in something. And if you're in a retirement with large money, man, you better fucking fire for your professional financial advisor if they're not giving you hedging strategies with bonds or whatever. Yeah. Next asset. Let's go to gold. Ooh, gold is getting its butt kicked right to our support level. I'm going to remove the doodles so we can see a little bit clearer. Take that out. We are basically under our last layer of support. We are now crossing the 200. We're in bearish on a weekly time frame. Yikes. Target is going to be the next EMA right here at around 1545 for gold. Yikes. I thought this was an inflation hedge. Oh, well, now if the interest rates are being increased, you don't need an inflation hedge. Once we break out under this 1600, you are going to see the flush come to the downside because that is the bottom of this channel. Another thing is I love my longs off the bottom of the channel. I love my shorts off the top of the channel. So if you're looking to buy gold, I don't suggest you not accumulating some in this area. Gold is something that always is going up, and if equities is not going to be a favorable asset, then gold will be. And in this range, I'm willing to take a risk on buying the gold. After 1535, I'm gonna be cutting my position, and I will be waiting for 1382 if I'm trading gold. I don't trade any of these assets. Oh yeah, full disclosure. I have no stocks, I have no equities, I have no gold, I have no silver. I am just charting this shit for you guys. The only thing I own is Ethereum right now. Ethereum and the US dollar. I don't have any other assets. Just full disclosure. 99% of my trades right now are going off of USDT, and then I'm converting my profits into Ethereum, and I'm trying to stack that as we're going down. So that's my full disclosure. Uh, yeah, looking for downside. All right, if we find the support, cool. Between 1578 to 1545, basically, is what I'm looking for. And then we can decide if that's support or if that's rejecting. Until then, be patient. Next asset. Here is silver. Ooh, silver is doing something better than. Okay, here's a fucking awesome example. Here you go. Here's gold, right? Gold, all the EMAs are expanded, showing that it was overbought and is trying to basically come back to reversion to the mean, what is fair value. 200 is usually that, but it wants to go lower, so that way all these expanded EMAs come and converge. Now look at silver. Silver did that. See, all of it expanded. Now it's converging and now it's consolidating here. This is accumulation. This, to me, is a sign of accumulation. Until this 21 gets price action gets above open and close, it's not safe too long. But assume that that close is not going to happen because this yellow, I don't think is going to cross under this green EMA. And I think price action will get above it, open and close, and then continue up. This right here looks like a bull flag to me. Why the hell is silver getting more strength than gold? I freaking don't know. Why does Ethereum excite me more than Bitcoin right now? I don't know. No, I do know. The future potential is much higher. All right, so here, what we were looking for on silver was the inverse head and shoulder, right? Quasimodo like shit because it already played out and now it's trying to test for support. I'm gonna remove this thing. It already played out and then it's looking for support here on the neckline, but it broke the neckline and now it's eating the EMAs a little bit. So this like potential trade is already invalidated. So what we need to do is now we need to see, hey, is it gonna find support over here at $19? If we can have open and closes above 19 and go sideways, the potential of us going to 20 and breaking out to 23 and 26 is very possible. Now, if we lose in this 19 like we are, we need to look for support at 1750. If losing 1750 is a little bit of a risk, ideally you don't want to go under 14, but ideally losing 1750 is a risk because then you're going to be potentially going to 1526, which is where we did this first calculation. That's the local low. This is the local high. I didn't even use this as the fib, which I could. Sorry guys if you guys are hearing my crazy chickens. They're like laying eggs, so they're making all these weird. So this is the same thing. So yeah, it's not even worth it. Same thing. But yeah, basically what we're looking for is where still we're gonna find support. I'm looking for 1756 since we're losing 19, but ideally I never wanted to lose 19. This is a nice little area that I'm looking for this thing to just accumulate up. And we should follow it like this. Excuse me. What's going on with this? Something like that is what we should be looking for. And this will spread. There you go. So I'm gonna just keep an eye on that for now. See if we can hold in this consolidation and go up. As soon as you break this lower high over here, this trend line to the red, look for that 1756 and under. We can reanalyze it after that because it's still following this downward channel too. So. All right, guys. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed our analysis of equities. If you would, I would greatly appreciate a like, a subscribe, press the bell button for notifications, and if you could share this with friends and family who are in the same equities or interested in the same topics, I would greatly appreciate it. If you are interested in trading with me live, please feel free to join us on our Discord server. The link of the server is in the description of the video. Last but not least, if you have any questions or concerns or would like me to review another asset, please just leave it in the section below and I will get back to you soon. Thank you so much and you guys have a great day. Talk to you soon.